How to cancel Amazon Prime membership. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can cancel your Amazon Prime membership on the Amazon Shopping app. So the first thing to do is to ensure that you have the Amazon Shopping app installed on your mobile device, then click on it to open it up. And then once you've opened it up, move to the lower part of the screen and then click on the profile icon. The profile icon is next to the home icon, and then once you've clicked on it, you'll be taken to the profiles page. On this page, next thing for you to do is to select your account. And then once you've selected your account, you'll be taken to the accounts page where you see others, customer service, accounting settings, etc. Then under accounting settings, scroll down until you see membership and subscriptions. Once you click on membership and subscriptions, you'll see Prime membership. Click on it. Now, mine is displaying this page because I have no subscription. I have not made any subscription on my Amazon account. But for you, you will see Prime membership. Select it. Once you've selected it, you'll take it to a page where you'll see manage my membership. All right, select it. And once you selected manage my membership, you'll be taken to a page where you would see several options. Select end membership. All right, end membership. Once you click select end membership, you'll be asked if you're sure. Say yes, and then the membership will be ended. Then you will still have to remain on that page, and then you have to click on cancel my benefits. All right, this is because after canceling your Prime membership, you would also have to cancel your benefits. All right, since you're no longer subscribed to the channel. So click cancel my membership, follow the on-screen instructions, and then your membership and benefits will be cancelled automatically. So this is how you can cancel Prime membership on the Amazon Shopping app. I hope this tutorial is helpful. Thanks for watching.